In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record on Vimeo. This is a great feature that can help you create tutorials, presentations, or even share cool moments from your screen. It can be handy for educators, content creators, and even businesses looking to make effective training videos. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as I'm sure you won't want to miss out on more tips and tricks. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your web browser and go to Vimeo. Once you're on the Vimeo homepage, make sure you sign in with your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process, and trust me, it will be worth it for all the features Vimeo offers, including screen recording. Once you're logged in, you should see a variety of options on the homepage. What you're looking for is the Record Quick Start option. It might be located prominently on the page, but if it's not immediately visible, just take a moment to browse around. Once you find it, go ahead and click on that option. After you click on Record Quick Start, the Record Studio will open. This is where the magic happens. Before we begin recording, you may want to choose your microphone if you plan on recording your voice along with your screen. You can find this option easily within the Record Studio. Selecting the right microphone is crucial to ensure clear audio capture, so take a moment to check that. Next, you'll see a button that says Share Screen. Click on that, and you will be presented with a few options regarding what exactly you want to record. You have the choice to record your entire screen, a specific window, or just a browser tab. Decide which of these options best fits your recording needs. For instance, if you're doing a tutorial that involves multiple applications, recording your entire screen might be best. However, if you're only showcasing a specific web application or document, then a specific window or browser tab would suffice. Once you've made your selection, click on the Share button to confirm your choice. It's a simple step, but it ensures Vimeo knows what you intend to capture. After that, you'll see a recording preview. Take a second to look over this preview to make sure everything looks good. This is how your recording will appear. If you would like to tweak some aspects, you can head into Settings, where you'll find available recording quality options. Choose the quality that fits your needs best. Higher quality will give you a clearer video, but may take up more storage space. Now it's time to start recording. Click the Start Recording button located at the top right corner of the Record Studio. A countdown will appear, giving you a brief moment to get ready. This countdown is your cue that the recording is about to start. Once the countdown is finished, go ahead and seamlessly begin your screen recording. Speak naturally as if you're explaining things to a friend or colleague, and remember, you can pause if you need a moment to gather your thoughts. When you feel that you've captured everything you need, or when you've finished your presentation, simply click on the Stop Recording button. This will signal to Vimeo that you've wrapped up your session. After you stop the recording, Vimeo will start processing your recorded video. Once it's completed, it will be saved directly to your library, where you can access, edit, or share it as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to screen record on Vimeo. Whether it's for personal use, teaching, or sharing knowledge with others, you're now equipped to create engaging screen recordings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tutorials like this one. Happy recording!